Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This fine Monday morning I'm coming at you from my bed because we are officially starting another university week in my life. So it's Monday morning, it's about 8 o'clock. I've been up for half an hour just like sitting in bed doing nothing because I just wanted to have a little bit of rest time. I didn't go to sleep until probably 1:30 yesterday. I don't really know what's going on today. Like, I know the tasks that I need to do, I just don't know when they're happening because I'm gonna go to office hours for a class that I have an exam on Thursday just to figure out a few things and get some questions answered. But I'm not super sure when that is actually happening, and my teacher is going to get back to me later today about when I can go. And then I also have a computer science assignment due tomorrow, and 2 of my little aspect things won't work and I need them to work. So the course offers consulting hours during assignment, so I'm gonna go and see if they are able to help me because I just really want it to work so I can get like 100, you know? Those are the main things I have planned for the day. I think I'm gonna work out in the afternoon because it's supposed to get sunnier and super warm, and I've just been living for that. Saturday and Sunday were so beautiful that I went for a run both days and it was just so freaking nice. So if it gets nice around you, I 10 out of 10 recommend going for a little run. But that said, I'm just gonna sit in my bed for a little bit and hopefully I'll hear from my prof in a little bit about when I can go in. I actually need to have breakfast because I'm hungry. Hello. It is an absolutely beautiful day. Like, holy moly, look at that sun. Whew, it's like 14 degrees out. I don't know how to dress right now because it's not warm enough to not wear a jacket, but then later it's gonna be really hot. So I brought a t-shirt to switch out for my sweater. I don't know. Anyways, I heard back from my prof about office hours and I'm meeting with him at noon. It's now like 10, so I'm gonna go head to campus, get a few things figured out, make sure I have all my questions that I want to ask him solidified so that when I get there we can just go right into it. But other than that, oh my gosh, it's so bright. Other than that, I'm gonna head to my other TA's office hours right after that for comp sci just to see what they can help me with because I'm really stuck. So wish me luck. That's what I'm gonna be doing for the next probably 2, 3, maybe even 4 hours. So that's great. Anyways, I'll see you later. That took so much longer than I had anticipated. It is now, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 3:30. I was hoping to be home by like 2, but that's okay. I just ate some oatmeal because I never had lunch and I just felt like oatmeal, so that's what I had. Now I'm just gonna take a little break, but then after that I think I'm gonna start at 4. From 4 to 8 I'm gonna do a case because my exam on Thursday is just a case study and you have 4 hours to do it. So I'm gonna do a practice one today, I'm gonna do a practice one tomorrow, and I'm gonna do a practice one on Wednesday. Good morning. It is now Tuesday and I am heading off to class. It is 9:25. I have class at 10. Woke up at 7:30-ish, I think. And then I went for a little run, had a little shower, had some breakfast, and got ready. So that's what I've done so far today. Now let's talk about what I'm gonna do later today. Hey guys, minor change in plans. I'm obviously home now. It's 1. I'm gonna start doing my case here instead of at the library just because I had to come home because I forgot that case and I couldn't figure out how to print it on campus, so I came home. And instead of going over to my friend's house to correct it, I think we're probably just gonna FaceTime and see what we got. That was weird. I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really tired and like just fatigued, but I need to do this. So I'm gonna go and do it and I'll talk to you guys in 4 hours. Hello everyone, it is now 7. I just finished up my case. Actually, it wasn't just. I finished it like 2 hours ago. But I just wanted to hop on and tell you guys about the computer science assignment that I was working on for the past few days because I've been getting a few comments asking me to go more into depth about the assignments that I've been doing. So I'm gonna do that. If you are at all interested in going to Western and knowing some of the courses that I'm taking. This was for Computer Science 2033. It is a multimedia communications class,
and it has a prerequisite in first year of Computer Science 1033, which is also a multimedia communications class. It is all about Photoshop and kind of web design, but not really. It's like basic HTML and CSS and that kind of stuff. So for this assignment, we had to create a website for a business that we were making up. Obviously, it doesn't have to be legit or anything, but I did mine on plants, as you can see, preppy plants. How cute, I know. So this is basically all we had to do. We had to do a nav bar, it had to link to other things. This is like an external source, whatever, not important. And then just, you know, write some about us information, add some pictures. This little image is called Parallax, which is super interesting. Not really, but yeah, we had to do it enhanced, which basically means that you apply an equation on it and it moves at a different speed of the scrolling, if anyone cares at all. And then you just do some products, add them to the cart. We don't actually have the database, so you can't actually add anything to a cart, but you've got the button and the modal window, and that's pretty much all you need. And then next, we just had a little form registration, so if you like do this, you know, and it turns green, then everything's good, but since it's red, it's not good. So then we just have a nice little, what's this called, image carousel, and then this part is really overwhelming, but I just had to figure out, oh, that did not work properly, but I had to figure out how to integrate it into my website, so I pretty much just put it on the bottom, and this little image is called Scrollfire, and then this is just a CSS animation, and then we had to reference all of the things that we did. So, oh, that looks weird. What's up with that? Where'd it go? That's not supposed to be like that. Hopefully they don't dock marks. Whatever. So to actually make all of this, I had to do a mix of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is just like the base for the website. So it is going to define all of your elements, define all of your text and all that kind of stuff. So I just have, I don't even know how many lines of code this is. This is about 550 lines of HTML. I don't know if that's a lot because this is like the second website I've created. And then CSS, which is what this is. It adds stylistic elements to all of the tags that you made in your HTML. And then the JavaScript just puts some functions on. So this just makes pictures get bigger, and then these three validate the form. And then this one does my Scrollfire and my Parallax. The Scrollfire was the image getting bigger at the bottom of the screen. So that is pretty much it. That's my website. That's what I've been doing. And comp sci, I handed it in this morning. Super fun. I know. But yeah, that is my assignment. I hope you guys like that. If you want more of me going a little bit more in depth about the stuff that I'm doing, just let me know. Go right ahead and tell me because I want to know, okay? I'm so freaking awkward. It's whack. Hey, it's now 9:30 and I'm looking like an absolute wreck ball. Oh my god. So, I've been doing some more biz for the past, I don't even know, a long time. And I think I'm officially done for the evening. But the evening does not stop here because I'm actually going to start packing all of my clothes away to go back home because I'm basically going to move out after my exam on Thursday, or like as much moving as I can, because I don't have another exam until the 23rd, which is like 2 weeks after my exam on Thursday. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to take most of my stuff home and then pack to come back here, if that makes sense. So my hair really needs a shower. Also, what is this? I don't have bangs. What was I saying? I don't know, but let's start packing. Okay. So I look like an absolute fool. Like, look at my hair. It's so gross. I need to shower so bad. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But look at the progress that I just made. So this is all empty. These drawers are empty. These drawers are basically empty. And everything is in these two suitcases. But my room is now an absolute disaster. So that's fun. But anyways, I'm going to head to sleep now because it's late and I didn't have enough water today and I'm really dehydrated, but I can't drink it now because then I'll have to stay up and pee. Whatever. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Hey, it is now 2-ish. I just finished my case and now I am working on my cheat sheet because we are allowed to bring one in, and I have a bunch of notes on mine, so I'm just gonna update it and then go from there. I decided I'm not gonna go for a run today because it's kind of not that nice out, and I ran for the past 4 days, and you know, body just needs a little break. So I'm gonna give it a break and have lunch. I think I'm just gonna have a smoothie. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm just gonna take a little break once I finish updating my cheat sheet and then go from there. I'm so tired and so bored of doing this. You have no idea. I'm excited though because I think tonight we're gonna have a little house-wide movie night because we're all in this class, so we all have the exam tomorrow, and there's not really that much that you can do to study for it. Like, we're just really pulling, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I'm so tired, I'm sorry. So anyways, I'm excited for tonight and tomorrow night, and then Friday. I'm so excited for Friday, guys. Eee! Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Look how clean my hair is. Have I talked to you guys since I showered? I don't know. If I haven't, I showered and I did a face mask, and since then I've just been chilling. It's now 9 o'clock. Movie night is not a go. But I did a lot more packing. Let me show you guys what I did. So basically this is all the stuff that used to be in that. So I have that full, that is full. These 2 Costco bags are full. This is all of my school stuff. This is shoes. This is what I'm using for tomorrow. And then all of this is basically empty. I'm just gonna leave my big, really big sweaters here because I don't need them. And then in this side, empty, and then I just have a few hoodies that I don't need to take home. So that is super exciting. I think I'm just gonna catch up with you guys in the morning, so I'll see you then. Peace out, girls. Scooty. Good morning. It is exam day. Woohoo! So I don't really know what my plan is today. It is currently like 8:30. My exam is at 2, so we'll probably leave here around 1 just to be safe. I honestly might go to the mall just as like a little stress relief because I didn't leave the house yesterday and I want to leave the house for something more than just my exam today. So hopefully I'll be doing that. And then so the exam is 4 hours. It's a long one. And then after the exam I'm going to head back to Waterloo, and tomorrow morning I will be leaving on an exciting trip. So that's pretty much all I have to say. I really want to go to the mall. I just want to go to Sephora because I feel like I haven't been in a really long time. I don't need anything. I just want to go, you know?
Alright, I am now in the parking lot at the mall, and I just picked up a few things. So from Sephora, I only got 2 things in the whole little haul. From Sephora, I just got a refill of the Brazilian Crush thing. Oh my god, it smells so good. I sprayed a little bit on myself in the store. Oh, it just smells so good. I haven't had it in a long while. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, so there's that. And then from H&M, I just picked up, oh I guess there's 3 things. I just picked up this little shirt. I thought it would be really perfect for work. It's pretty cute, right? I don't know. I also feel like I could wear it in real life, which is a pro. And then I also just got this little pack of hoops. You literally can't see it. Here we go. Yeah, cute, eh? So that's my little haul. I'm gonna head home. It's like 10:30. No, it's like 11:30. And my exam is at 2. We're trying to leave at like 1:20-ish. So I'm gonna head home, have a little bit of lunch, rest up a little bit, and then off to my... I'm kind of stressed about it, but like there's really nothing else I can do to study at this point. So that's why I went to the mall.
Okay, so I'm home now, and I'm just getting my exam snacks ready. So, starting off, I'm gonna have some grapes. These are the rest of the grapes that I have, so there's not that many, but that's okay. And then I have granola bars, but since the wrapper is loud, I like to unwrap them before. It's just a Made Good chocolate chip. And then I also have this Made Good Rice Krispie Square. They kind of taste weird, but they're not that bad. So I've got these 2 snacks. And then to top it all off, I'm just gonna bring a juice box because why not? I finished my exam. It's now like 6:30 and I'm just gonna finish packing up
this stuff into my backpack, and then I will be hitting the road. I am so depleted, so tired, and just absolutely dead. Also hungry, so I'm probably gonna get a snack or get some food on the way. But that was my exam day. I'm so happy it's done. I actually think it went pretty well though. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really think you can see me, but I just wanted to let you know that I am almost home. I'm so excited. It is 9:04. 9 o'clock, I wrote. I don't even know. I'm actually really delirious. I almost hit a leaf and I thought it was a bunny and I freaked the frick out. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm almost home. Almost back to my little poochy face. I love my little poochy face. And I'm so excited to see my little poochy face. How many times can I say my little poochy face? I'm really losing it now. I'm officially home and going to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little week in my life. I know it was short and uneventful, but I tried to give you some little tips for dealing with exams and all that kind of stuff. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also, if you want to see more, let me know what videos you want to see in the comments down below, because I will always take some requests. So other than that, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.